were a pain in the ass to get out. So compared to outside versus inside, the inside actually sounds pretty decent. Like a little growl to it. What it sounds like with some revving. So what I got was eyelids from Nia, and they make the car look super aggressive. I like it. One of my favorite mods to make the front end look a little bit better. So I did get a Greddy axleback. I was searching for a F-Sport exhaust, but I could not find any for a good deal, so I settled with a Greddy exhaust. I got it for a heck of a steal. I got it for half off, so I just had to jump on that. And I did change my license plate frame to Greddy. And this carbon diffuser, it's a little bit different than the ones that everybody gets. I did have to put some screws into the car to make this work. So if you guys are wondering and wanting to get this diffuser, you're gonna have to put one right under right here, one on the side, and another one right under here. This isn't melting, so this part, it looks like it's touching, but it's not. It's holding. I put a screw right here, another one right there, and I just put 3M tape all along the backing, and it's been holding up pretty well. I know there's not a lot of reviews on this diffuser, so I thought I'd hop on and put this on for you guys. Of course, I still got the same duck bill, the VLANDS, this roof spoiler, and I also did get this dash mat that I can show you guys to help prevent the sticky dash from happening. I just got it in today, so I didn't really have time, so I just slapped it on. I will fix this in a little bit, but it's pretty good. I only paid 10 bucks for this, so I can't really complain. It'll like protect the entire dash from melting, and it doesn't really stick. It's been sitting in the sun for a little bit. Most likely my next mod and my last mod is going to be dropping this vehicle at least another inch or two. I don't know what coilovers to get yet. I'm looking at BC Racing right now. That's what I had on my Civic. They were okay, they're not too bad for the price, but I do want to drop this vehicle. I don't know what rims I want yet. Maybe some 3-piece or some 1-piece. Just going to make this as my daily. as I did sell my Civic, so I'm not gonna be a fast boy no more. The next car I get is going to be a complete surprise. Let me know what you guys think. I will put a price point on the items that I recently purchased. Most likely a link description box below. This axleback isn't the loudest, but I like the way it sounds. I am looking for a NVIDIA mid-pipe. If anyone is located in SoCal, let me know. I do need that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.